I fly fish because I am addicted. It keeps me sane, it keeps me alive. I fly fish because that is my life. It's been my life since I was 8 and it's been my life ever since. I don't care what I'm fishing for. People ask me all the time, where's your favourite spot? What's your favourite species? And I don't have that. I can't give an answer because I want to be out fly fishing. My name is Simon Gawesworth. I'm the brand manager at RIO Products. For lake fishing, if you just had one single line, I think you're out of the game. I don't think you can have a single line. I think you could have 2 lines. I think you have a general purpose floater and an intermediate, a low stretch intermediate. So the intermediate I like is called an In-Touch Camo Lux, and what that is, it's an intermediate that's got this camo colour to it, but it's on a low stretch core. And to me, that's the most important thing about an intermediate, because any sinking line, you're relying on one thing to know there's a fish there, and that's feel.
But you keep on peeling it back. I know what they say, you gotta wait for it to come. All these days in a haze of the too proud to say I'm wrong. The weekend spent to celebrate, they keep dragging us along. Light in the eye, fish on the line, and I know it gets you bad, and I know it's the best you ever had. Into the void, it's a choice. You gotta meet the solid line of the drift and the dirt, cracking bones to split the time. And all these spades and renegades, they seem cooler than they will be soon. But by the time they reach the top of the hill, their bodies buried in the side.
Casting, that's my real drug. Everything to me is about the cast. The cast is the one skill you control, and that's fantastic. I like that. Fishing, yeah, you can control some of it, but the fish is the ultimate decider whether it eats your fly or doesn't eat your fly. I can control casting. You can control casting. Anyone can control casting. That's why I like it, because I can dedicate time to it and get better at it. Casting, as I said, that's my real drug. I could never, ever lose my passion for fly fishing or casting. It's not possible. I can't imagine life without that. I can't wait to retire so I can just go out and cast my butt off and just cast, or fish, or whatever. But no, there's no way I can lose that passion. That is my soul. That's what keeps me alive and going. So there's no way I'm going to lose that.